First up are these food huggers. They're designed to fit around different cheeses and butters to keep them fresh in the fridge after you open them. The pack includes 5 huggers to fit different size products. Next up are these cooking utensils designed to fit on the side of your pot or pan while you're cooking. No more spoon rest or staining your countertops. Last up is a set of cutting boards. They have the prettiest pink detailing, include 3 different sizes, and you could even use them as cheese boards. Today's project is organizing our cutlery drawer. I just felt like I wasn't using it very efficiently, so I decided to clear it out and replace the organizer. The new organizer is expandable and has a really cool feature I'll show you at the end. The organizer is spacious, so it makes it much easier to see what's inside. So here's a cool feature. It actually has this add-on slider that you can put on top to organize things like reusable straws or other small kitchen items. I'm intrigued, I had to try it out. It's called the Prep Deck, and it has tons of built-in compartments and tools for prepping your meals. The tools fit right on top of the containers they give you, so you can prep and cut as much as you need. I personally use a slicer and grater the most, and I love the measurements on the side. The cover acts as a cutting board, and I love that it has a built-in trash you can pull out. There are honestly so many cool features, and it makes it really convenient for us throughout the week. And when you're done prepping, you can just fold it up and store it in your fridge.